Hey guys, so this here is an FP pre-turbo oil filter. If you have one of these on your car, clean it out periodically. I'm going to go ahead and clean mine out, and I'll show you how this works real quick so you can see what all is involved. It's very simple. This part here unscrews from the filter body. So let's see if I can unscrew it while holding this at the same time. I already loosened it. So there's your two pieces there. O-ring here. Make sure that O-ring is not cracked or broken. And on the inside of here, there's a little filter, and I'll go ahead and pop that out, but there's that little black piece there. Just get something to stick in there, and you want to be very gentle, but you're going to pull that piece out. And there is your filter. There's your filter on the inside of this piece here. And it looks like it might be made out of stainless, but you're going to want to, I'm sorry, but this isn't going to focus, but you're going to want to make sure there's no dirt down in there. It's not clogged. Why is this having such a hard time? Oh, I see. Hold on. I had water on the lens. So you're going to want to make sure that this is clean and that there's no dirt in that screen. Once you clean it out, go ahead and reassemble it. Just take the screen and stick it back down in there. And it's seated in there. And now we can go ahead and re-screw that piece back on. And you're all done. After you have it reassembled, you're going to want to make sure that you install this the correct way. So according to the FP website and the instructions on Force Performance's website, this side here comes from the oil filter housing. This side here goes to the turbo. Oil filter housing side, feed in, and then that's your out to the turbo, according to the FP website. Mine was actually installed backwards the entire time I've had the car. I don't know how well it was filtering, but there wasn't much debris in this filter. It's just something I wanted to double check, and I discovered that it was hooked up backwards. On mine, this was coming from the oil filter housing, so now I'm going to switch it to this side, and we should be good. Just a little tidbit there, guys.